Welcome to the fascinating world of brain psychology, where we explore the intricate relationship between the brain and cognitive processes. Join us on this journey as we uncover the neural mechanisms behind perception, attention, memory, language, emotion, and decision-making. In the field of brain psychology, researchers employ advanced techniques from neuroscience, psychology, and cognitive science. They use brain imaging methods like fMRI, EEG, and TMS to measure and analyze brain activity, providing valuable insights into the structure and function of the brain. By studying how the brain processes information, researchers aim to uncover the neural basis of mental processes. They investigate how genetics, development, and environment influence cognitive functioning. This knowledge can lead to a better understanding of normal cognition and improved treatments for neurological and psychiatric disorders. One of the key areas of interest in brain psychology is understanding how the brain perceives the world around us. Researchers investigate how sensory information is processed and interpreted, shedding light on the fascinating mechanisms behind our perception. Attention plays a crucial role in our cognitive processes. Brain psychology explores how attention is directed, sustained, and divided. By understanding attentional mechanisms, researchers gain insights into how we focus on relevant information and filter out distractions. Memory is another fascinating aspect of brain psychology. Researchers investigate how memories are formed, stored, and retrieved. By understanding the underlying neural processes, they aim to improve memory retention and develop strategies to combat memory-related disorders. Language is a fundamental cognitive function. Brain psychology delves into how the brain processes language, both in terms of comprehension and production. Researchers explore the neural networks involved in language processing and investigate language-related disorders. Emotions play a significant role in our daily lives. Brain psychology aims to understand the neural mechanisms behind emotions, exploring how different brain regions contribute to emotional experiences. This knowledge can lead to improved emotional